Just a couple of jobs on today. This Sunbeam machine needs to replace the seal on it, and of course clean the shower screens, which are absolutely filthy. Needs a bit of a descale and a backflush. The other job I've got is a more difficult one. It's a Gaggia. Bloke dropped it around, and as you can see here, they've screwed out the bolt here, and it's going to be very difficult to get that out to give the machine a bit of a service, but we'll see how we go. So that's two jobs today, and both machines have not been well looked after and have not been serviced on a regular basis. Guys, when you do this, make sure you give this a good run through here. Look at the rubbish you get off there, so make sure you get into, give that a really good clean. You can see there it's pretty dirty. That's about the third one I've used, so give it a good clean up, guys.